Tired of bread? Discover this easy breakfast recipe. Dive into this simple and delicious recipe that's perfect for any morning. Let's start by peeling 3 bananas. My neighbor taught me this recipe, and it's not only delicious, but also super easy to make. You'll love how simple it is to prepare, using just a few ingredients you probably already have at home. Set one of the bananas aside for now. This will be our special touch later. Slice the remaining bananas into nice, even rounds. This step helps bring out the natural sweetness when we cook them. Now take the banana you set aside and mash it really well with a fork until it turns into a smooth puree. Whether you're looking for a change in your morning routine or just want to try something new, this recipe is a great choice. It's packed with natural flavors and is ideal for anyone who wants something tasty, quick, and wholesome. Transfer the mashed banana to a bowl. Add 2 eggs and mix well until the eggs are fully incorporated. You'll start to see the batter coming together. Then add 3 tablespoons of rolled oats. This gives it a hearty texture and makes it more filling. Add half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon for a warm, comforting scent. Cinnamon also has great health benefits. It's a win-win. Mix everything together until the batter is smooth and well combined. In a frying pan, add a tablespoon of butter and let it melt over low heat. The buttery fragrance will already start making your kitchen feel cozy and inviting. Turn off the heat and carefully place the banana slices in the pan like I'm doing here. This step caramelizes the bananas and adds a wonderful layer of flavor. Now pour the batter on top, making sure it evenly covers the bananas. This recipe isn't just tasty, it's also really healthy. You get the natural sweetness of bananas, the protein from eggs, and the fiber from oats, all in one dish. Turn the heat back on, cover the pan, and let it cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Be patient, it's worth the wait. Then flip it over carefully and cook for another 5 minutes. By now, the edges will be golden, and the center will be cooked to perfection. And it's ready. It's packed with natural flavors and is ideal for anyone who wants something tasty, quick, and wholesome. This recipe isn't just tasty, it's also really healthy. You get the natural sweetness of bananas, the protein from eggs, and the fiber from oats, all in one dish. Look how delicious it looks. It's soft, golden, and has an irresistible scent that fills the room. Drizzle some honey on top, and it's even better. You could also add peanut butter, a sprinkle of nuts, or even fresh fruit to take it up a notch. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as I do. I'll see you in our next video. Can't wait to share more delicious ideas with you. Enjoy.